Welcome back guys. Today we will talk about playing with characters, Hackerrank practice problem in C programming language. This problem requires basic knowledge of standard input and standard outputs in C programming language. So let's begin. But if you are new to my channel, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to never miss an update from us. So this problem is pretty straightforward. We will play with some characters. We have to take an input from the user. First input will be a character, second will be a string, third will be also a string but with space characters in it. So if you have solved the challenge before, we can't use scanf as it is to read the string. The problem is that while reading through scanf there is a problem. Scanf reads the string until it encounters a space character. It is by default in it. So if I enter, suppose if I enter a string, suppose my name Rahul space Pawar. So what will happen is when I print the string, the output will be only Rahul. It won't include Pawar in it because I have entered a space character and the string is not been read after it. So to overcome this problem we have to use this kind of character in it. I will explain to you what is that. The square brackets over here are scanset characters and the anything within n represent that you have to read a string until you encounter this character. In our case, until and unless we don't encounter a new line character, we have to read a string. So I have entered it a backslash in the new line character now. But if we have read a new line character but we don't want to print it, right? So the %*C, it is representing that the whichever character you are reading this here, like the new line character, don't include it while printing. Don't read it, discard it. So this is only the significance, or you can also use gets and just write s in it, since I have defined it over here. Or you can use fgets if you know what's the size. Since our maximum size has been defined to be 20, but still I have been taken it as 100, not an issue, but you can use fgets as well, not a problem. So first so I will take you step by step through the solution. First, define a character ch and a character array s of 100 or 20 sets, whatever, no matter. Since there is no time complexity, we don't have to worry about it. I have scanned and immediately printed the corresponding thing. No problem if you read 3 first and then print out 3, not an issue. So first I have read character, then printed it out using %C, that you know, data type representation and all. Then I have just explained you this, but in the case if you are not using this, it's fine, you can use gets as well, no problem. Now we will submit the code. Let's submit the code and done. We have get all the 3 test cases passed. Now let's try it using gets as well. Let me make some arrangement and clicking on the submit and done. Using gets, it can also be done using gets, so no problem. I hope this added some knowledge. See you in the next video.